Stress-free home selling. Lisa, a single mom in Southern California, had no time to manage repairs or home upgrades. Juggling work and parenting left her overwhelmed by the thought of prepping her aging house for a traditional sale. She needed a solution that would let her sell quickly and move on to a fresh start in a new community. That's when Lisa discovered sellmyfixerhome.com. The process was simple. She submitted her information and received a fair cash offer within days. There were no hidden fees, no need for costly repairs, and no open houses or endless negotiations. Lisa was relieved she could sell her home exactly as it was. Backed by the trusted team at Nanda Realty, sellmyfixerhome.com handled every detail, from marketing to closing. Their transparent and efficient approach made the sale stress-free, allowing Lisa to focus on her family and future plans. The transaction was completed swiftly, and Lisa received her cash without hassle. If you're a Southern California homeowner ready to sell your fixer-upper, sellmyfixerhome.com is your answer. Skip the headaches, avoid agent fees, and get a no-obligation offer fast. Sell smart, get cash, and move on. Visit sellmyfixerhome.com today.